Russian President Vladimir Putin has called for direct talks with Ukraine, saying that they should start without delay as early as 15th of May. We seek serious talk to remove the root cause of the conflict and start moving towards a lasting, strong peace, also he said on Saturday in a rare televised late-night address from the Kremlin. It also comes hours after the European leaders, including the UK Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer and the French President Emmanuel Macron, visited the Ukraine and urged Russia to agree to an unconditional 30-day ceasefire. In response, the Kremlin spokesperson, that is Dmitry Peskov, had said that Moscow would have to think through this, and also he warned trying to not pressure us, that is quite useless. Also in the statement, Putin said that he would not rule out that in the course of the talks which is proposed should happen in Turkey's capital Istanbul, Russia and Ukraine may be able to agree to new ceasefires, a new truce. Also, the Russian leader said that he would speak to the Turkish President Recep Tayyip also Erdogan on the Sunday to discuss the future details. Kyiv has also not commented on the proposals from Putin. Earlier on Saturday, European leaders traveled to the Ukrainian capital and called on the Moscow to agree to a month-long ceasefire with Ukraine starting on Monday. Also, the call was issued at a meeting of the so-called coalition of the willing, with the leaders of the France, Germany and the United Kingdom, Poland seeing standing alongside Ukraine's President Vladimir Zelensky. They made the announcement after discussing the plan by phone with the United States President Donald Trump, who initially mooted also an unconditional ceasefire. The leaders threatened Russia with the massive sanctions if it did not agree or comply. Also, in response, the Kremlin said that it was considering the proposals but would not respond to pressure. After the meeting, Sir Keir Starmer said that all of us here together with the United States are calling the Russian President Vladimir Putin out. Also, if he is serious about peace, then he has a chance to show it now. Zelensky added, "Thank you all of you for standing with us. Today we will focus on how to rebuild and guarantee real and the lasting security." Hours later, Putin made his strong statement with a video showing journalists assembled in a hall inside the Kremlin.